Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your familiar devices. First things first, you will need to log into your LucidView management portal. Then under Enforce account, you are going to click on View All. Now you're going to choose which enforcer you would like to set up your familiar devices for and then click on Login. You are going to click on the menu button and scroll down to familiar devices. And click on Create New Familiar Devices. There are two great features about setting up your familiar device. Firstly, the name that you associate with an IP will reflect in the reports, and this gives you the ability to bypass content filtering for the specific individual. The first thing you're going to do is add the IP address. Then you're going to associate a name, and I'm just going to use my name. Now you can allow the bypassing of a category blocking for the specific IP, as well as logging of device traffic. After this, you can click Name Device. And there you go. When reports are pulled, the device name will show instead of the IP address. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.